Hello, and welcome to the Declarative Academy. In this hands-on mini lesson, we're diving into a simple but surprisingly powerful productivity boost in Salesforce, sorting list views by multiple columns. You'll see how to layer your sort order up to 5 columns, so the most important records naturally rise to the top. Along the way, we'll build a practical case list view that makes prioritizing work feel almost effortless. By the end of this video, you'll be able to apply multi-column sorting to a list view with confidence, organize records in a way that actually reflects business priorities, and use that ordering to quickly spot what needs attention first. We'll also look at how to reset your sorting if you ever want to start fresh. Let's start with what's new. Salesforce now allows you to sort any list view by up to 5 columns, with each column set to either ascending or descending. This means your list views can finally match how teams think about work. For example, reviewing records by status first, then priority, and then how long something has been open. This feature is generally available in Lightning Experience for all editions except Starter and Pro Suite. One nice touch is that your sort order sticks. Once you've configured your columns and directions, Salesforce remembers them every time you open that list view, and if you decide you want to go back to a simpler setup, you can reset the sorting from list view controls or just click a column header that isn't part of the multi-column sort. Let's put this into practice by building a focused list view for a support team. Start by opening your Trailhead playground. From the app launcher, navigate to Cases, then select All Open Cases so we're working with an active list. Next, open List View Controls and choose New. Name the list view All Cases Sorted, and let Salesforce automatically fill in the API name as All Cases Sorted. Set the visibility to all users can see this list view, then click Save. Before sorting, it's a good idea to make sure the right columns are on screen. Go back to List View Controls and choose Select Fields to display. Add or confirm that the following fields are visible: case number, contact name, subject, status, priority, date, time opened, and case owner alias. Together, these give agents instant context: who raised the case, what it's about, how urgent it is, and how long it's been waiting. Once everything looks right, click Save. Now for the multi-column sorting, click the Column Sort button to open the sorting panel. Add status as your first sort and set it to ascending so similar statuses naturally group together. Then add priority as your second sort and set it to descending, which pushes high and urgent cases to the top within each status. Click Apply and watch the list reorganize itself. You'll immediately see how much easier it is to scan the queue, understand where each case sits, and jump straight to the most important work. Salesforce saves this sorting setup with the list view, so the next time you open it, everything is already in place. If you ever want to undo it, open List View Controls and select Reset Column Sorting to return to the default view. If case age is also important in your process, you can take this one step further by adding Date Time Opened as a third sort. Set it to ascending if you want the oldest cases first, or descending if you prefer to focus on the newest. Think of these sort columns as dials you can adjust until the list perfectly matches how your team decides what to work on next. Summary and key takeaways. Multi-column sorting turns a long, busy list into a clear action plan. You can sort by up to 5 columns, choose the direction for each one, keep that configuration saved with the list view, and reset it whenever you need a clean slate. In our example, sorting by status and then priority brings urgent cases to the surface while still showing where each one sits in the support process. Ideal for daily triage. If this was helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more admin-friendly Salesforce tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments. We read them all. See you in the next one.